Hello everyone, my name is Rainier and I am with OWL Level 20 waterproofing systems. Here are some of the key benefits to OWL Level 20 waterproofing solutions. 25-year warranty, the best in the market. You will not find anyone else, especially if they're using acrylic or silicone, to provide you with a 25-year warranty. It just doesn't exist. We are the only ones. The most, if that, you can get from any of our competitors is 10 years. And I assure you that it won't last the entire 10 years. Level 20 was developed to protect roof from water damage and extend the life of your existing roof. Level 20 is incredibly easy to apply, making it an ideal choice for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to be durable and have the best adhesion to any surface, including timber, plywood, asphalt, felt, concrete, tiles, insulation, cement boards, metals, single ply, spray foam, existing coatings, and more. I am with Level 20 Systems, providing the most innovative, cost-effective roofing and waterproofing solutions on the market nationwide today. Staircases or pool decks or walkways that you may want to do a anti-slip finish on, we can help you with that as well. And lastly, we are Miami-Dade, BBA, and CE certified. If you are interested in learning more about our product, get in touch with us today.